Well, here's a fast video of my wiring for the LED lights I have, the two facing forward and the two facing back. I took the hot positive off the starter, which made sense to me. It's closer to the dash. There's your fuse, easy access behind the loader arm bracketry. It's a wiring kit I got off of eBay. Got the relay, which is mounted back in. There's a space right in here that I can mount the relay beside another relay. Comes with a master. I bought two individual rockers. There's one for the front. There's one for the back. See how bright these damn things are? Bright. I didn't want to pull the other light in there. Let's come back around. Whoop. Back up here. We got these L brackets. They're for unistrut. They're the extra long ones. They're about 4 by 3, something like that. And this is a set screw that holds that ROPS straight up and down, which I got kicked back at a 45. Didn't have to screw anything. Didn't have to drill anything. That was awesome. Come around here to the back. There's my two rear facing. I did have to drill 2 screws up underneath there, some self tappers, which is cool. And you can take the wire and wire them around the back here underneath, down and around. I don't really have to show anybody this. I kind of zip tied wires and I kind of put it in this wire. You get on it, the wire loom here. Kind of helps protect it a little bit. Cool. You want to see the back ones? They're bright as hell too.